Hello everyone, this is Miss Cara here factory. This is Miss Cara here. And now I will introduce the water bill photo for this clothing wig for you. You can see it clearly. Now you can see this here. This here lens is 30 inch. Water bill 30 inch photo for this clothing wig there. You can see it. You can see it. And this here is 100% Remy human here. You can see. It is 100% Remy human here. You can see it. Because we have our own factory, so we try our best to produce the highest quality here with the lowest price. Now, I will show the lace for you. You can see this lace is transparent lace. Can you see it? Transparent lace. This wig also with the electric circle net. You can use it to adjust the size to make your wig shoot your head very well there. You can see it. If you like it, you can click the link to check it, okay? And if you have another question or if you want to see another here, you can tell me. Thank you guys. You can see it. This is photo for lace clothing wig 30 inch water bill hair wig. The end of is very full. You can see it there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.